Hello everyone, welcome to Southern Wreaths. Make sure you watch this video till the end so you can get a sneak peek at the next wreath I'm going to make. Today I'm going to make a Halloween wreath. I'm doing just a simple deco mesh and ribbon wreath. These are the supplies I'm going to use to make this wreath. I'm going to start by adding the pipe cleaners to my 14-inch wreath frame. I add a pipe cleaner to each crossbar for the inside section. I twist it 3 times, pretty much as tightly as I can. And I'll just do that for every crossbar on the inside. I'm using black pipe cleaners just because it'll look nice with the wreath. I had orange too, but I decided to go with black. So to do the outside, I'm just going to pick a crossbar to start. And then I twist it 3 times just like before. And now I'm just going to lay the pipe cleaner along the wire frame, and where it ends is where I add my next pipe cleaner. I'll continue this all around the outside. If the pipe cleaner has one piece longer than the other, I usually just pick in between the two. It doesn't always line up perfectly, and it really doesn't have to, because once you add everything, you can't really tell. Alright, I'm going to cut my mesh at 25 inches. My mat only goes to 24, so I just kind of measured off. It may have been, yeah, and then I'm cutting it at 1, so it's 25 inches. And I'm going to cut 14 of them. You could double up and do 2 pieces of mesh in each section to make your wreath fuller. I like to make a variety of priced wreaths and a variety of size wreaths, because some people like to put them in between their glass doors, and a wreath like this would fit. Alright, and I'm just going to bunch it up. I like to put my cell phone on there to keep it flat. I curled the beginning, and then I just accordion fold it with my fingers and gather it all together. I've already went through and pushed my outside pipe cleaners out of the way and opened the inside ones. And then I'm just twisting once because I'm going to add more. And then you just kind of fluff them up against each other. And after I've added all the black, I'm going to cut my ribbon. I just like to use my ruler. I'm going to cut 7 of each color at 12 inches. And I'll just twist it around 7 times. If you're making a wreath where you need more than that, I wouldn't go more than 7. Because once you get too thick, it doesn't work anymore. And then I'm just dovetailing the ends. Alright, and I'll go through and decide which ribbons I want to be together. And then just kind of make a stack so it's easier for me to add them to the wreath. I had this scrap orange mesh left over from a wreath that I did the other day, the green redo wreath. And I wanted some more orange for the black and white ribbon. So I just went through and trimmed it. I think it came out to be about 8 inches. And then I'm just gathering it and I'm adding it to every other section. And those are the sections that I'll put the black and white ribbon. And I like to open my pipe cleaner and then add it. Alright, to add my ribbon, I'm going to fold it in half, pinch it in the center, and that's where I'll gather it. And then you can just pull on the ribbon to kind of create like a bow shaped, like a rainbow shape, an arch. That's what I was trying to think, arch. And then I just open up the pipe cleaner and add my ribbon. And then I'm going to twist it 3 times to secure, and then I like to roll it down with a glue stick. It just makes a cute little spiral. And then normally when I fluff my ribbons, I keep them the same all the way through. Like if I put the glitter one up first and the stripe down, then I'll do that the whole way around. It's completely up to you how you do things. I don't feel like there's any wrong way to make a wreath. I'm going to do the same thing with the black, and when I put it on top of this orange, it really makes a difference. Because I held the ribbon up against just the black, and it was okay, but I really think this one ties the orange in with it, and it really makes it pop. And I love the little ghost ribbon. It's got little glitter ghosts on it. It's really cute. And now I'm just going to fluff it. And I'm going to go around and alternate every other ribbon in each section until it's filled up. And then this is my last one. The only thing I do different on the outside is when I fluff my ribbon, I fluff it to the outside. I don't really push it towards the inside because it'll overlap and it tends to get messy. And I also use my pinky to hold on to the frame when I'm pushing my ribbon in, just so it doesn't slide across the table. That way I get a tight twist with my pipe cleaner. I find that the pipe cleaners grab pretty well, so I don't have a lot of issue with anything sliding around. See, when I fluff it, I just keep it towards the bottom. And that's it. That's how I made my ghost Halloween wreath. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, or you can email me at craftingwithlee@yahoo.com. If you learned anything or liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.